Well, hello there, YouTube. Welcome to a nice, quiet February 27th. Today is Tuesday. February's almost done now, but it's like 34. It's weird. It's 34 degrees out here, but it feels like it's about 60. It's weird how quick you get used to cold weather. And I'm wearing like half the layers I normally wear. You just get used to it. It's crazy. Well, Mama, we definitely didn't make it to Vancouver without rain today. It wasn't dumping, it was just wet. Just that northwest drizzle kind of thing. That's alright. Gotta have a little bad with the good.
Or else you wouldn't know it was good.
Yeah, if it was nice all the time, you wouldn't appreciate it as much.
This is true.
And that is a fact. Alright, Mama.
Alright.
Heading on down.
I see you at the border.
Yeah, I caught you yesterday.
Yeah,
Let's see.
cool.
Alright, we'll see ya.
Alright.
Love, see you, bye. This is the 2018 S1000R. She's already warmed up. These things are so cool. These naked sport bikes. I love how they have way more of a natural seating position. One that, I mean, you could sit in this thing all day long. Man, that is some serious power. Your buttocks is sitting amongst on these things. Seen that Beamer sitting there with his tail lights on there. I don't know if he was pulling out, just sitting there. You just never know. Jeez, barely roll on, and it's like, hello, mama. Super cool. How's that for a quick little test ride? I've got to ride them all. I think I've told you guys that caboodles of times. It's part of checking its roadworthiness. Next up is going to be the wonderful R1200GSA. If I can find somebody with a puck out here. In fact, I don't see anybody, so I'm going to stop. Go find a puck and then park the bike. I need another one here in a second. I'll just take this out and stick it in my pocket. Alright then, let's take this thing up, put some petrol in it. My kid sprayed this polish stuff on his dirt bike when it was sitting over here. That stuff is so slippery that the center stands just slide forward. You got to put a foot under it. So this thing is absolutely stone cold. It's been sitting here since yesterday, since you heard it running yesterday actually. And I pay attention to the red in the tachometer. It lowers the red line. I'm what, 5200 based on what the temperature is now. That's the red line on the bike right now. But as I ride it, pay attention to it. We'll take her upstairs, get some gas in it. There was just enough to make one bar show up on it last night. What's really cool about these 1200s is how it has that kind of an anti-stall thing. Watch, no throttle. And I'll show you this. I'll go all the way up the hill and never touch the throttle. It just compensates. Now if you dump the clutch, it's gonna die, but if you're easy on it, it'll compensate. Isn't that wild? I don't know if you can tell how steep this ramp is, but it's not light. What? There's a place to turn this thing around. My feet don't touch the ground really well on these. My little personal backup thing don't work so well. Mama, why'd you birth me with such short feet, legs? Alrighty. Alright, so the bike has to be off, otherwise you'll see the tank will not open. Now it opens. For obvious reasons. Sometimes you gotta protect people from themselves, huh? Alright, let me top her off and we'll take off. I'm not sure how much I put in there. It wasn't very much. And it takes it a second to realize that I've done that. Alright. We're off and rolling. Now the pleasure ride of the day. See if we can scare old Jeannie here. Hey! I was hoping you were gonna stop. Looking like he wasn't there. Oh yeah. Nothing like a GSA adventure. My walkie-talkie going off. About scared the heck out of me. I thought somebody was screaming at me there for a second. Like, I didn't do it. It wasn't me. If it was, I'm sorry. So we're getting a little break in the weather here, huh? That's nothing to complain about. Lovely, lovely motorcycle. Alrighty, filing through. Lovely sound of that boxer. I see our red lines made it to about 6,200, I would guess. Awfully short ride to get her fully up to temp, or at least to a temperature that the gauge is happy, or the oil temperature red line control is happy. I don't know what that white stuff is on the ground, but it looks like chalk or something. So I have a puck in my pocket from the last drop off. So we'll just drive this one all the way up. Look at the bars, A-pingers we put on that bolt yesterday. Looks good. Now it looks nice. Watch it there, woman. Sneaking around on me. Look at that, there's two RTs sitting here unsold. How does that happen? Heck yeah. You just sold the other one? That's how you do it. One out, one more back in. There they are, my little red buddies for the last couple days. Well, even though it's like an hour before we leave,
I've been busy.
I thought I was catching
I'm
you at the
hungry.
watering hole. You were just getting some hot water for your soup.
Yes, I'm hungry.
All right. Well, at least I caught you up in this direction anyway. I'm gonna get me a cup of coffee if there's any left. Mama, it's end of the day. We gotta stop somewhere, don't we?
Yeah.
All right. So we're gonna roll. All right. Man, I don't know if it's a wind chill or what, but it's only 40 degrees. I mean, 40 degrees isn't bad, but man, does it feel colder now. I keep looking, thinking, man, it's got to be like in the teens or something. And everybody's been saying that all day today. It's weird how different like humidities and winds and stuff can change the way the temperature feels drastically. But yeah, I'm standing out here freezing my bohiney off, filling up the old Honda truck. Kelly says, stop at that post office. Force me. She goes, you don't pull over and check that mail, I'm gonna knock you out.
Get it.
Alright, let me go check. Well then, looks like we might have some mail call stuff here today. Nice. Real nice, you guys. She done jumped back in that car. She's saying it's too cold out there. Well, hello there, YouTube. On this crazy cold for 40-degree night.
I know.
But,
I don't know why it feels so cold. It just does.
So we did a quick little stop there at the post office, and there's a couple of things in there that probably not going to wait until we schedule a mail call thing. So we're just going to do a little impromptu mail call. One, you remember Mo from New Hampshire that came up with, in fact, I'm using that as a logo. We're talking about doing shirt. We got to work on this.
Yeah, we do.
We need to have seems like everybody has their little merch store. We need to do something and get with Mo and them. But he come up with another one.
I know it.
Check this out. How cool is that?
Isn't that cute?
Hill of the Barking Dog.
Oh, I love it. That's adorable.
That's us. And if you look in the middle of the bike, if I can get the camera there, there's a little house in there.
That is so
That's
cool.
way cool. That's super cool.
Yeah.
And then from Amazon, somebody, you can order from Amazon and send it and gift it, but they didn't leave their name. So
yeah, so
comment below, or maybe you don't want your name known or whatever, but the note says, my dogs love these. I hope yours do as well.
yeah.
But check it out.
Aren't these so cool?
Yeah.
Aww.
And they're filled with rope.
Minimal stuffing.
Yeah,
which
minimal
is what
stuffing.
the girls need, them little stuffing ripper-outers.
Yeah. Somebody must have
Oh.
watched the vlog and go, oh, we know about the stuffing as well.
These might live. I'm sure they will have
Yeah.
a ball. Thank you.
And the most important thing, especially Sasha and Ann, they
Yeah.
love the squeaky thing.
Oh my lord, they love squeakies.
That Ann, and I think it's equally about as much.
Yeah.
I just wow, 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 wow. It's like, good lord, will they break that thing soon or what?
I know.
You know
Sashi
those-
just walks around with it going.
Yeah. You know the weird little woggle, woggle things that we got from Sportsman's?
Oh yeah.
It freaks Ann out. She's not sure what to do with
she
it.
looks at them, but she isn't gonna go play with
Yeah,
them. Sasha, now she loves them.
Yeah, she loves them.
So does Abby.
But we haven't gotten any of them to like shake it and make the noise. You'll hear it every once in a while go woggle. I think it's when Abby plays with it. Abby's lost her mind. She thinks she's a puppy.
Yeah, gets into everything. Chews on shoes.
Yeah, that old shoe that we were telling you about that the two girls like to take. Now Abby's taking it.
It's like,
Yeah.
she's lost her
Yep,
nugget.
this morning getting ready for work, she walked there, picked it up and goes walking off. Hey!
Bring that shoe
What
back
are you
here,
doing?
Missy Bridges.
But thank you, Mo we need
Yeah.
to do something with that stuff.
I
Those
know it.
the caricature things. I really like
love
that.
those.
Hill of the Barking Dog. That's cool too. I never even thought of that.
I know it. That'd be
that?
way cool.
Yeah. And Sasha and Ann are gonna get these.
Thank you very much.
Gonna get these tonight.
And they're very, very soft.
Yeah,
They're
Kelly
really
does.
soft.
But see, they got
I like
little.
them.
The ropes are inside.
Yeah,
Isn't that
that's
cool?
way cool.
Thank you guys.
Very, very much. Sorry.
Saying the same thing at the same time. It's almost like twins.
I know it.
Might as well be. You've been together so long.
Oh, good Lord.
Half the time we finish each other's sentences or say the same thing at the same time, thinking the same thing at the same time.
Yeah.
That's too much time together. Get out.
Oops. Oh, well. Too late. You're stuck with me.
Be too hard to train another one.
I
huh?
know. That's too much work.
Well, anyway, we're going to roll on that.
All right. Thank you very, very much for watching. We really do appreciate it. We will talk to you tomorrow. Same smoke time, same smoke channel. Don't forget to give her a thumbs up. You guys have a wonderful Wednesday or Thursday.
Yeah.
I had to think about what day of the week
I
it
wasn't
was.
even thinking. Mo, thanks for the shirt.
Yes.
And whoever for the dog pets.
Yeah.
Thank you very, very much.
Yeah,
That's
they're
way, way
going to
cool.
have a ball with these little guys.
Oh, yeah. We'll have to give them to them tonight.
Yeah.
They'll love that.
Try to take a picture of them crashed out playing with
Yeah,
them.
they always end up falling asleep with them.
Yeah.
All right, we're going to roll out.
You guys take care.
We'll talk to you tomorrow. And thank all the rest of you as well.
Yes. For watching very,
Yeah.
very much.
All the comments and whatnot.
You guys are amazing.
All right. Let's go. Let's speak. You know when you've been talking too long because the dogs go quiet.
Yeah, they go. They're
They
never
go, "Oh,
coming
they
out.
ain't getting out, so we might as well just go back to bed.
I know it.
All right. We'll see you now. Bye-bye.
Bye.